Hey guys, let's see how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp without any application. So, how do you actually see your deleted messages on WhatsApp without any application if you want to go ahead and do so? Well, if you want to go ahead and proceed with this, all we need to do is to basically head on over to our WhatsApp and launch our applications and of course log into our accounts. Now, once you're here, basically all we need to do is to head on over to our notifications on our settings, and I want you to click on show notifications. Of course, have a sound to your notifications. Now, what is important is I also want you to set show previews on so that you may still see those previews of those messages. Now, by doing this, of course, even if they have deleted that specific message, you can still see that message on your notification center since it is still there even if they have deleted it. Now, that is basically an easy trick to work around seeing deleted messages on WhatsApp without any other third-party application. All we need to do is enable notifications, and without really seeing their message, we can still see or preview that message over on our notification centers by allowing previews on our notifications. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next